Okay, here's the moment of truth. I just got done doing all the wires. Got it all set up, hooked up, powered on. Redid all the electrical. All new relays. New starter solenoid. Rebuilt the starter. Rebuilt the carbs. Rebuilt the heads. So let's start it up. It's in neutral. And here we go. I'd already started it up previously to make sure, but there you have it. It's running good. I haven't balanced sync to carbs yet. I did from the when I first rebuilt them. I set them up, of course, from a start position, just so I could make sure it would start and run. So I still have that left to do. But as far as everything else goes, very nice. I put a horn relay in. I can run dual horns. Dual hella horns. And of course I upgraded the side decals to 1000cc because that's what it is now. Oh, when I rebuilt the heads, Ted Porter sent me all the stuff I needed, including all the correct specs. I took it to a local machine shop that's been in business for probably half a century. They did a marvelous job. It's all set up for the larger exhaust valve and unlimited fuel. There you have it. I'm going to do a build book on it, and then I don't know if I'm going to put it up for sale or not. Everything's brand new. I mean, brand new cables. All the cables are brand new. Brand new sensor for the rear brake lights in the front. Rebuilt the master cylinder. Rebuilt the calipers. New rotor. New brake pads. New stainless steel brake line. There you go. I still can't believe I did all that by myself.
I see you standing at the front of the land, waiting for something I can't make out, but I wanna talk to you to pull you aside. I wanna ask you to come with me tonight. I wanna stay by your side. We'll lean together, we'll go round this on fire. I'm here inside. I'd rather be.
So this is about as new a 1978 R80 as you're going to find anywhere on the planet. And chances are, if I kept it and I could ride it another 45 years, probably just change the oil and put gas in it. So, and new tires.